Hi dear Cancerians, how are you guys doing? So this is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading till mid of April you can say, and we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy and we will see what the outcome will be, okay? Yeah. So right now your partner's energy Cancer is Two of Cups. Very beautiful energy. They are feeling like they are in a divine union with you. This is a soulmate connection. They are in love. Basically they are feeling a very loving and caring and soulful connection with you right now, and they are working on this relationship, from their soul and heart. They feel like you are their soulmate. They feel like that you are their sweetheart, okay? So right now they are in the very loving zone. They are creating this harmonious harmonious and beautiful connection within themselves as well. Or you can say they are tapping into their spiritual side. They are tapping into their beautiful and romantic side right now, okay? How they see you. Six of Cups is there, so they see you as somebody who holds a past life connection with them, or they feel like you guys have a history together, and that is why they are feeling like yes, you are their one, you are the one for them. The Six of Cups is basically the energy of the past lovers, past lifetime lovers, or you guys had a history together, or there is something that is connected, related to the past from you guys, within you guys, between both the parties. So basically what I feel is your partner feels like you are their love from the past lives. You are their soulmate. They are carrying a very beautiful energy towards you. They are carrying a very beautiful and a loving energy towards you. How they feel about this relationship, this is the Hierophant. I think like you are maybe related to Taurus Cancerians. Maybe you are related to somebody who is having a strong Taurus in their chart, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising. So they feel like this relationship is going to the next level. They want a committed relationship. They see you as a marriage material. They see you as somebody they are connected to on a spiritual level. They see you as somebody who is like very soulful, very beautiful, and very connected to them in a very deeper level, okay? So they feel like they feel like committing to you. They feel like offering you something solid, or offering you a marriage proposal, or there's some kind of spiritual connection or spiritual union going on. You guys might get engaged soon, or they might make a proposal for this marriage thing or a long term commitment. But whatever it is, Cancerians, this is very beautiful energy that they are carrying for you right now. What they want from this relationship, this is the Two of Pentacles energy. They are in some kind of confusion towards this particular relationship. Maybe they are confused between yes or no, whether I should proceed to this person, whether I should give this commission, give this commitment, or give this proposal to my person right now, or whether should I wait for this person to reach to me. So right now they are in dilemma. They want to come out of this dilemma. Although they are very sure about you, they see you as their past life connection. They see you as somebody who is very soulful. They love you a lot. They want a strong relationship with you, a strong committed relationship with you. But right now they are in confused state. They want to come out of this confusion of yes or no, or whether it is the right time or not to reach you. Okay, the outcome from their side is the Star. Very positive outcome. They are very hopeful about this relationship. They are very positive that you are going to say yes about this relationship, or this about this commitment, or about this proposal of theirs. So basically they feel like yes, they should reach out to you, and they are eventually reaching out to you and telling the truth. They might be healing. They might be right now in the healing process. They might be right now in this behind the scene processing that what should be the process to reach you, what should be the process to tell you this, what should be the process to propose you. So they are very hopeful and positive, and they are going to eventually give you some kind of offer till the mid of April. And the Star card is clarified by the Ten of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Judgment. The Ten of Swords is basically they are maybe going through a very bad phase of their life, and that is why they are coming out of this bad phase. And then they are trying to offer you something very solid. They are coming towards you very slowly but beautifully, because the Judgment card is telling me that there is a reconciliation in this relationship. I think you know this person from the past. This is definitely a past person that is coming towards you, Cancer, and they want to offer you something very solid, because now they see your worth. Now they see that they love you. Now they see that you are a long term commitment thing. So right, yes, they are coming towards you. They are very positive and hopeful. They are coming towards you very slowly, but definitely they are coming towards you. and they are hoping for a reconciliation, hoping for a yes from your side. Okay, your energy right now, Cancerian, is the Eight of Pentacles. You are working on yourself. You are working on your money. You are working on your business. You are working on your personal growth, personal development. I don't feel like you are working on the emotional aspect of your life right now, Cancerians, because what I feel is you are working solely on your business or your money, on your pentacles right now. Because what I feel like there was some kind of disruption, there was some kind of conflict going on between you and this person, and that is why you shifted your focus to your work only. Okay, how you see your person, you see this is a Page of Cups. So you see that this, although this person is very very emotional and loving towards you, but they are kind of immature, to be very honest. So page energy is immature energy. So what I feel like is, Cancerians, you see this person as somebody who is very very emotional, or might be over emotional sometimes, but this is immature energy. Although you love this person, although you have feelings for this person, I can't say love as of now, although you have feelings for this person, although you see this person as some kind of uh, emotional person who makes you feel happy as well, but this is kind of immature energy. You feel like this. Okay, how you see this relationship, Page of Wands. You see this relationship, again I'm telling you, you are very very, you feel like this relationship is passionate, this relationship has all the ingredients to become something good in the in the future. But right now the immature energy is there. There is passion, there is love, there is everything that is present there, but lots of immaturity. It is just a startup, you can say. These are the seeds are growing eventually, but this is just a start from your side. You are not sure about this person, you are not 100% sure about this person, you are not 100% sure about the energy that they are creating in this environment. What you want from this relationship is Ace of Wands. See, this is Page of Wands. You feel like this is immature energy, there's lots of passion in this relationship, but again, what you want from this relationship, Ace of Wands is there. You want a passionate new beginning with this particular person. You want to start all over again. Or I can say this is a new person. There could be a new person as well who is coming to your life and you want to give them a chance. But for most of you guys, I feel like this is the past person coming back to you for the reconciliation, offering you something. Now they are sure that they want you in their life. Now they are sure that yes, this person, this Cancer person is my soulmate, and I love them and I want to offer them a solid commitment. Okay, so the outcome from your side is the Page of Swords. Let me tell you one thing, Cancerian. This is the Page of Cups. This is the Page of Wands. This is a Page of Swords. All these pages are in your reading. So basically you are ready for a new beginning, you are hoping for a new beginning, you feel like yes, this person is good for you, but you are not understanding this, like you are not able to understand whether this is the good time to connect with this person, whether this is the good time to proceed further with this person. Right now you are not taking it, I think, very very seriously, because you feel like let's see what will happen in the future. Okay, so you are going with the flow, you are just checking out whatever will happen, and you are just ready for a new beginning. You might be spying on them, some of you might be spying on them through social media, or you are checking out them, checking their every move. Okay, so you are basically testing them, Cancerians, to be very honest. So the Page of Swords is your outcome, and that is clarified by the Six of Pentacles, Three of Wands, and King of Swords. Again I'm telling you, you are seeking a balance, you are spying on them, you are seeking a balance, you want equal give and take in this relationship. Although you are turning your back from this relationship in the past, or you turned your back in the past from this relationship, now you are ready to start a new beginning, start a new chapter in this relationship. But you have certain rules and regulations, you have created a boundary, and you are very very sure this time that what you want from this particular person or this relationship in general. So basically you have created some kind of boundaries. Although you also want a new beginning with this particular person, you are not sure about this person, and you are just taking it step by step, slowly. So yes, this is the reading for you guys, Cancerians. I hope this will help you out to make some kind of good decision towards this relationship thing. Okay, so I pulled three cards from the Love Oracle deck, and the first card in the past is the Palm Tree. So what I feel like is there was stability and security and growth in this relationship when it started in the past. It is a recent past energy. Right now this relationship is ascending, so it is getting into the next stage. So transcending expansion, new phase, preparing for union. Yes, I'm telling you, this person is very very ready to commit to you and give you something solid. And the near future, I can see the near future is kisses, unconditional loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love again. Yes. So Cancerians, your person is totally in love with you, and your person and you hold a history together. You had a past life connection maybe, and I feel like there's strong Taurus energies here. So basically Taurus, or I can say air energy is also here, Gemini, Libra maybe. So whosoever this person is, these are general readings, so I can't generalize anything. I can't say which sign is here, to be very honest. So basically whosoever this person is, they are completely in love with you, and they now are ready to commit to you, and now ready to maybe get married to you soon. Okay, they are going to offer you something very very solid, and very very ready to have a reconciliation with you. This is the thing that is happening with you guys. Okay, so Cancerian, thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste, and do support me, do subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below if I can do something better with this. Thank you so much. Namaste.